Hello, and welcome to the Academic Center for Writing presentation on guidelines of MLA and APA styles. MLA stands for the Modern Language Association and is normally used in writings about the arts, English, and literature. APA, which stands for the American Psychological Association, is used for social sciences, education, and nursing writing topics. Each style has its own unique set of rules. Writers always cite their sources to give credit where it is due. Because different disciplines require different formats, the assignment should specify which to use. If not, be sure to ask. Properly documenting the sources used better protects the writer, gives support and credibility to the paper, and shows the respect, care, and ownership the writer has for the work. In MLA format, the writer's full name, class information, and date are aligned at the top left corner. Sometimes the professor's name and/or the assignment number is included in the top left corner. On the top right corner of the page is the writer's last name and page number, which should appear on every page. Unlike MLA, APA has a separate cover page with a running header, essay title, and writer's full name, class information, and date. Instead of the last name and page number as the running header, the header includes the essay title and page number. The running header appears on every page of the essay and includes the title or an abbreviated version and the current page. In order to avoid plagiarism, in-text citations are required. When quoting or paraphrasing someone else's words or ideas in your paper, in-text or parenthetical citations tell the reader exactly where the cited information was found. The parenthetical is considered a part of the sentence, so periods and other punctuation occur outside the closing parenthesis. Sometimes a writer needs to quote a large amount of text from another work. This does not mean letting someone else write your paper, but longer passages can help bolster complex arguments. The excerpt must be set apart from the text of the essay by indenting it 2 tabs width into the page. Please note that the block quote is not justified or centered on the page, and that the in-text citation is still present. Although a poetry block is still double indented, the structure of the poem as it appears on the page must be intact. Notice the position of the line, "What could I do?" Notice also that the citation refers to lines of the poem included in the block. APA also requires you to cite your sources. Unlike MLA, the parenthetical citations use the last name of the author and the year the work was published. Unless a direct quote is used, then a page number is required. Here are some examples of APA in-text citations. Notice the year of the Chen and Franklin study is listed in parentheses, and because it is a direct quote, the page number is given at the end. Because the Smith results are merely paraphrased, only the years of publication are required. When quoting directly from newspapers, journals, or magazines, The in-text citation needs the author, the date, and the specific paragraph. All of these source types must be properly cited, and different text formats often have varied citation requirements. Always check a source guide to be sure you are citing works correctly. As stated earlier, different texts sometimes need different citation elements, but these are the basic requirements for any citation. Here's an example of a citation guide for printed or online texts. Movies, radio programs, and sound recordings are texts that may require additional citation information. This is another guide. This one is for an APA reference page. Thank you very much for watching this presentation on using MLA and APA citation formats. For questions about this topic or any other topic in the writing process, please come by the Ink Spot, the Academic Center for Writing in room W114. Thanks again for watching.